In ancient Sparta, young women trained alongside warriors every single day. They ran, they wrestled, and they performed deep body weight squats as part of their conditioning ritual. Spartan women were not permitted to be fragile. Their society understood something that modern science has only recently confirmed, that the squat is not just an exercise, it is a survival movement built into the architecture of the human female body. No gym, no equipment, no weights, just 30 repetitions. That is all this challenge asks. But here is what most women never discover. 30 squats a day for 30 days does not just change the shape of your legs, it changes your hormones, your circulation, your metabolism, and your bone density in ways that compound every single day. Today, you will see exactly what those 30 days will do to your body. Not vague promises, but the specific, documented physiological changes that happen week by week. If the Spartan women could build legendary strength with nothing but their bodies and their discipline, so can you. Before we begin, drop your name and the city you are watching from in the comments right now. And if you are starting this challenge today, write Day 1 so I know you are with me. Let us do this together. What happens in days 1 to 7? Awakening. The first week is not about visible transformation, it is about awakening. Your body is remembering a movement it was designed for, and it responds from the very first repetition. The body weight squat is one of the oldest human movements on Earth. Women in ancient civilizations from the Indus Valley to sub-Saharan Africa spent hours daily in the squat position, resting, working, and living. The Dahomey Agoge warrior women of West Africa built their legendary lower body power from squat-based training that began in childhood and continued throughout life. In the first 7 days, your neuromuscular system is the primary site of change. Your brain begins firing new recruitment patterns to the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and deep core. This is called neural adaptation. It explains the soreness you will feel in muscles you did not know existed. The deep stabilizers of your hips and pelvis, made dormant by years of sitting, are switching back on. How to perform the body weight squat. Stand feet shoulder-width apart, toes angled slightly outward. Draw your belly button gently inward to engage the core. Push your hips back first, then bend the knees and lower toward parallel. Drive back up through the heels, squeeze the glutes firmly at the top. Place a sturdy chair behind you and lower until your glutes lightly touch the seat before rising. This teaches the correct pattern and removes any fear of losing balance. From day 5, slow your descent to a 3-second count. This eccentric loading increases muscle engagement and accelerates results without adding a single extra repetition. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now. Every week on this channel, we bring you science-backed, ancient-inspired methods built specifically for women. Subscribe so you never miss what is coming next. Days 8 to 14. Hormonal shift. By the second week, your body has moved beyond neural adaptation. The changes happening now are hormonal, and they affect far more than your legs. In the training traditions of ancient Korea, female court attendants performed hundreds of deep squats daily as part of conditioning tied to longevity and vitality. They understood intuitively what researchers now confirm: strong legs and female hormonal health are directly connected. Squats recruit the largest muscle groups in the body simultaneously. When large muscles contract with sustained effort, they trigger the release of growth hormone, supporting muscle retention, fat metabolism, improved mood, and deeper sleep. The squats you perform on day 10 are not just reshaping your legs, they are rebalancing your endocrine system from the inside. Week 2 variation. Pause squat. Lower into your full squat depth. Pause at the bottom for 2 complete seconds. Do not bounce or relax. Drive back up through the heels. Add a deliberate glute squeeze at the top. If the pause feels too intense, slow your descent to a 4-second count instead. Time under tension is the goal. The method can always be adapted to your level. From day 10, add a 1-second glute squeeze at the top of every repetition. This change dramatically increases gluteal activation and accelerates visible shaping. Days 15 to 30. Visible transformation. By day 15, something has shifted. You feel it before you see it. By day 30, others will notice. Researchers studying Maasai women in East Africa, women in their 50s and 60s who squat daily their entire lives, consistently find the absence of leg weakness and postural decline that affects Western women at the same age. Their secret is not a gym, it's daily intentional squatting, embedded in every aspect of life. By week 3, real muscle fiber growth has occurred in the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Your resting metabolic rate has increased because muscle burns more calories than fat. Even at rest, your circulation has improved. Your posture has been corrected because your glutes and core can now hold your pelvis in its natural alignment. Your bone density, especially in the hips and spine, has begun measurably increasing. Complete your standard 30 squats first, then perform 5 explosive jump squats. Lower to full depth, then drive upward powerfully. Land softly with bent knees to absorb impact. Feel the difference immediately. Replace the jump squats with 5 slow pulse squats. Hover just above the bottom and pulse 1 inch up and down for a count of 10. Same activation, 0 joint impact. On day 30, take a photo in the same position as day 1. Let the results confirm what your body has already told you. Then consider what 60 days would do. Here is one addition that costs you nothing and compounds every benefit of your 30 squats. At the end of each session, lower into your deepest comfortable squat and hold it for 30 seconds. This resting squat, practiced by women across Japan, Korea, and Southeast Asia for many thousands of years, supports healthy digestion, decompresses the lower back, improves ankle mobility, and releases hip flexors. 30 seconds, every day. Ancient wisdom, modern confirmation. 30 squats, 30 days. No gym, no equipment, no excuse whatsoever. You now know exactly what your body will give you in return. The Spartan women proved it. The Maasai women still prove it every day. And now, it's your turn. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Lower yourself down the moment this video ends and begins. If this challenge inspired you, we have something even more powerful waiting. A video is appearing on your screen right now showing the 5 isometric holds that ancient warrior women used to lift their glutes and flatten their belly with 0 movement required. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching this far, my friend. May God bless you.